Hey guys, so you may have experienced the desire to help a friend in need by lending them money, even though you had a feeling of uncertainty about the decision. This can be a challenging situation as it involves a mix of emotions. Whether you loaned money to your friend for an investment or to pay off debt, there's always a risk involved until they pay you back. You may feel frustrated or uncomfortable, and it can be difficult to avoid these emotions. Furthermore, if things don't go as planned, you could end up losing both your investment and your friendship. But before this video, guys, please like this video and subscribe to my channel as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Now, ultimately, lending money to a friend is a personal decision that requires careful consideration and an understanding of the potential risks and benefits. While helping a friend in need can be a rewarding experience, it's crucial to approach it with caution and awareness of the possible consequences. So before you lend money to your friend, ask yourself these questions. The first one is, will you be financially okay if you don't receive the loan back? When it comes to lending money to a friend, it's important to consider the potential financial risks involved. While you may hope that your friend will repay you promptly, there's always a chance that things would go wrong and you might not get your money back. Therefore, before making any decisions, it's crucial to protect yourself and assess your financial situation. One key factor to consider is how crucial the money is to your own financial stability. If lending the money would mean that you won't be able to pay your own bills or meet your own financial obligations, it's not a good idea to go ahead with the loan. You should only lend money to a friend if you are financially secure and comfortable with the possibility of not getting the money back. Another question is why your friend needs that money. When someone asks you for financial help, it's natural to feel hesitant to ask about their personal needs. However, it's crucial to consider whether lending them money is actually worth it based on their intended purpose for it. As a lender, you have every right to inquire about their plans and decide whether it's a worthy cause to lend them money. It's important to know that lending money to someone is a significant investment and you have every right to understand what you are investing in. It's reasonable to assume that if someone is requesting your financial aid, they are aware that you would like to know the reason for it. By inquiring about their plans, you may discover that the intended use is not something that aligns with your values or financial goals, and therefore you should not lend them money. Another question to ask is, what is your friend's financial reputation? Even if your friend has never asked you for a loan before, it is crucial to understand the purpose of the loan since you will be taking the financial risk. You need to evaluate the chances of them repaying you based on their financial history. If they have a habit of paying bills late or are frequently hounded by debt collectors, it may not be wise to lend them money. If your friend has a reputation in your circle for being irresponsible with their finances, you may need to think twice before agreeing to lend them money. In such cases, there is a higher chance that you may not get your money back, and it could potentially damage your relationship. Another question to ask is what other debts your friend has. To assess whether lending your friend money is a good idea, it's important to understand their financial situation. You don't have to run a credit check on them, but you should ask about their debts and financial obligations. If they have a lot of debt from credit cards or other sources, it's a red flag that they may be struggling to manage their money. If they have maxed out their accounts, it could be a sign that they are in a difficult financial situation. In this case, lending them money could potentially make their situation worse rather than better. If your friend is in a lot of debt and struggling to manage his finances, he may need more significant financial support than just a loan from a friend. Encouraging them to seek help from a credit counseling service or a financial advisor could be a more appropriate course of action. These professionals can help your friend develop a plan to pay down their debts and get their finances back on track. Another question to ask is, how will he repay the loan? It is important to establish a clear and structured repayment plan if you're lending a significant amount of money to a friend. Avoid simply saying "pay me back when you can," as it leaves the terms of repayment uncertain and may lead to misunderstandings or even damage to the relationship. Begin by discussing a repayment schedule with your friend that you feel comfortable with and can realistically meet. It is a good idea to put this plan in writing and have both parties sign the document to avoid any confusion or disputes down the line. This way, everyone involved is aware of what is owed and when is due. By having a repayment plan in place, you not only protect your own financial interest but also show your friend that you take the lending seriously and that you trust them to fulfill their obligations. This also provides a sense of accountability for your friend and helps them prioritize their finances. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Have you ever lent any money to your friend? Leave your comments down below. So guys, if you like this video, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.